Here with my carrier fridge unit, as will be removed from a 1998 Grain Adams X Co-op. 13,400 hours on the clock, 800 standby hours. It's got the 3-phase hookup somewhere there. I've got all the engine covers. I've just removed them so they don't get damaged. I have no idea what engine it is. I'll just have to hook up some temporary fuel, as I've removed the tank already. The noise is the old car to jump it off. I'll bleed it because, like I say, the fuel lines are being cut. I would imagine it has run back a bit, the fuel. And I'm going to ask my apprentice if he'll start it for me, please. He's got his stick to reach. Show you the exhaust so you can see it's clean. Puff of black smoke on start. Lovely sweet engine.